All right, so I picked up this tripod for a very specific purpose, and the problem I was trying to fix was to make it easy to adjust the angle, the way that my phone, when it's mounted, is attached. And so that's what I found. So a couple of features here that I like. One, it comes with an extra hot shoe, so you can attach maybe a camera to this and a phone to this mount, and then with this little toggle, you can switch them right out. And there you go. So if you have, different recording videos, or I'm sorry, different cameras, you can swap them pretty quickly without needing to do a lot of stuff. All right, so that's that. Looks like this one will adjust to 75 inches tall. So there's 4 on the bottom. There's 4 leg adjustments, and then you have one here that will go up another. Let's see. From there to there, I'd call that about 15 to 16 inches. That'll drop down. Of course, you can tighten it so it won't drop down, which is what you'd want to do, of course. Bubble level. So once you get the legs all adjusted, you can use the level there that's integrated to see if it will stay level. The other features I like are, this is the primary reason why I got it, is this right here, is if you loosen up this and you loosen up this, you can toggle and you can go whichever way you want with it, and you can get it nice and straight without having too many adjustments, which I really like. Now, let's say you're shooting a video with your phone and you have it in horizontal mode. So you have, let's say you have the phone kind of through there horizontally and you want to switch to a vertical mode. Well, you can turn this if you want. The other way you can do it is right here. Flip that over. Now your phone is in vertical mode and then horizontal mode, and you are good to go. The feet you attach as you unpackage it, and the feet are nice because they also have a little bit of a swivel, so they will contour to the ground as you need it. So all in all, very nice tripod, well made. It's pretty light. Let's see, I think it only weighs, I thought it was on the box, I think maybe 4 pounds, something like that. It's not very heavy at all. And then you get a nice bag, and everything fits in the bag. So all in all, very solid made, and it solves the problem that I was looking for, which is the head to be adjustable and easy to use.